This video showcases the aging of the actors from American television miniseries, The Thorn Birds. You will learn their real names and ages, and be able to compare their appearance then versus now. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the Now channel. 1. Barbara Stanwyck played Mary Carson and was 76 years old during filming. She passed away at the age of 82. 2. Barry Corbin played Pete and was 43 years old during filming. He is now 83. 3. Brett Cullen played Bob Cleary and was 27 years old during filming. He is now 67. 4. Brian Brown played Luke O'Neill and was 36 years old during filming. He is now 76. 5. Christopher Plummer played Archbishop Vittorio Contini Vercese and was 54 years old during filming. He passed away at the age of 91. 6. Rachel Ward played Maggie Cleary and was 26 years old during filming. She is now 66. 7. Richard Chamberlain played Ralph de Bricquissart and was 49 years old during filming. He is now 89. 8. Stephanie Faracy played Judy and was 31 years old during filming. She is now 71.
'Also, please check out our other videos.